Thinking about trying the carnivore diet, but unsure if it's right for you? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the top questions people have about the carnivore diet and giving you the answers you need to make an informed decision. Question 1. What is the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a way of eating that focuses entirely on animal-based foods like meat, fish, eggs, and sometimes dairy. It eliminates all plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. The idea is to simplify your diet and rely on nutrient-dense animal products for fuel. Question 2. Is it safe to eat only meat? The safety of the carnivore diet depends on the individual. Many proponents claim it helps with weight loss, inflammation, and mental clarity. However, it's essential to ensure you're eating a variety of animal products to get all the necessary nutrients. Consulting a healthcare professional before starting is always a good idea. Question 3. What about vitamins and fiber? One concern is missing out on fiber and vitamins typically found in plant foods. However, many carnivores argue that the body can adapt to thrive without fiber, and they get their vitamins, like B12, A, and K2, from nutrient-rich animal products such as liver, eggs, and fatty fish. Question 4. Can the carnivore diet help with weight loss? Yes, it can. By eliminating processed foods and carbs, the carnivore diet often leads to reduced calorie intake and improved blood sugar regulation. Many people find it easier to control hunger and cravings, making weight loss more manageable. Question 5. Is it sustainable long-term? Sustainability depends on your goals and preferences. Some people thrive on the carnivore diet for years, while others use it as a short-term reset before transitioning to a more balanced diet. It's about finding what works best for your body. Question 6. Are there any risks? Potential risks include nutrient imbalances, high cholesterol, or difficulty adjusting to the diet. Some people experience side effects like fatigue or digestive changes in the first few weeks. Monitoring your health and being mindful of how your body responds is critical. Question 7. Can I still exercise on the carnivore diet? Absolutely. Many athletes report improved performance and recovery on the carnivore diet, thanks to its high protein and fat content. Your body may take time to adjust, but once fat adapted, energy levels often stabilize. The carnivore diet isn't for everyone, but for some, it's a life-changing way to eat. Whether you're curious about the science or ready to dive in, understanding the basics is the first step. Have more questions about the carnivore diet? Drop them in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into health and wellness topics. See you next time.